A closer look to 1. Listen again to part of the conversation. Pay attention to the present perfect.
Unit 9, page 29. A closer look to Activity 1. Listen again to part of the conversation. Pay attention to the present perfect.
What nice photos! Have you been to all these places?
Yes, I've been to most of them. This is Rio de Janeiro. It's an exciting city, but sometimes it's very hot.
Is the weather there hotter than in Sydney?
Oh, yes. Sydney isn't so hot. I've been to the beaches there many times with my family. They're the cleanest and most beautiful in the world.
Is this London? What bad weather!
Yes, we've been there twice.